Today, you will learn how to use prefixes and roots. Prefixes come at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. The word it is being added to is called the root. Let's use some examples to help us understand. We'll start by looking at the word Sub-Zero. Sub is the prefix. Why? Because zero is already a word by itself. We've added sub to the beginning. Since sub is the prefix, zero, the already existing word, is the root. So what does our newly created word mean? The prefix sub means under, below, or less. So sub-zero means less than zero, under zero, or below zero. For example, if the temperature is sub-zero, it's really cold. Let's continue with another word, merge. Merge is a word all by itself with its own meaning, so it's our root. Merge means to join or become part of something. Now we add our prefix, sub. We now have the word submerge. It means to join or become part of something that is under or below. A sinking boat would be submerged in water. Let's try with another word, conscious. Conscious will be our root. It means awake or aware. Now we add our prefix sub again. Our new word is subconscious. It means under or below being awake or aware. So it's something that's not quite awake or aware. Your dreams are part of your subconscious. Let's try one more word, graph. Graph will be our root. It means to write or something that is written. Now let's add hydro to the beginning. Hydro is our new prefix. It means having to do with water. So a hydrograph is writing that has to do with water. An example of a hydrograph might be a chart showing the flow of river water.